Ever feel like you're sending your resume into a black hole, applying to hundreds of jobs only to hear crickets? You're not alone. The job search has become a numbers game, and frankly, it's broken. But what if I told you there's a new player in town that can completely change the game for you? It's not a magic trick, it's not science fiction, it's artificial intelligence. And before you say, wait, isn't AI going to take my job? Hold on. The real power move isn't fearing AI, it's using it. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you how to harness AI not as your replacement, but as your most powerful career coach, your personal resume writer, and your 24/7 interview prep partner. Let's dive in. First, let's get this out of the way. Headlines love to scream about AI taking jobs, but they rarely talk about the millions of jobs AI is creating and, more importantly for you, how it's augmenting existing ones. Think of AI not as your competition, but as the ultimate productivity software. It's like moving from a typewriter to a word processor. It doesn't write the book for you, but it makes the process of writing, editing, and formatting infinitely faster and better. Your goal is to become a human in the loop. You provide the strategy, the creativity, the critical thinking, and the human touch. Let AI handle the heavy lifting, the data crunching, the drafting, the tedious research. This combination is unstoppable. Employers aren't just looking for people who can do a task. They're looking for people who can do it smarter and more efficiently, and that's exactly what AI enables. Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually use this? Here are 3 concrete ways to use AI right now. First, the targeted resume and cover letter. Stop sending out the same generic resume for every job. This is where AI shines. Step 1. Find a job description you like. Copy the entire text. Step 2. Go to an AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Paste the job description and write a prompt like, analyze this job description and extract the key skills, keywords, and qualifications. The AI will give you a perfect cheat sheet. Step 3. Now feed your current resume into the AI with a prompt like, here is my resume. Rewrite my professional experience section for the role of job title to highlight these key skills. Paste the list from step 2. Use stronger action verbs and quantify achievements where possible. Boom! You now have a tailored resume that will beat the applicant tracking system, ATS, the software that scans resumes for keywords, and actually get seen by a human. Second, beat interview anxiety with mock interviews. You can practice anytime. Prompt: act as an interviewer for a job title position at an industry company. Ask me 5 common behavioral interview questions, one at a time. I will provide my answer, and you will give me constructive feedback. It's a free, infinitely patient practice partner. Landing the job is one thing. Thriving in your career is another. AI is your secret weapon for long-term growth. Upskill at warp speed. Want to learn a new software, understand a complex concept, or get a summary of the latest trends in your industry? Ask AI. Explain concept, e.g. project management agile methodology, to me like I'm a beginner with a simple analogy. Or summarize the key takeaways from the latest report on your industry trends. It's like having a personal tutor on demand. Enhance your daily work. Stuck writing an email? Draft a professional email to my team providing a project update and asking for feedback. Need to analyze a dense report? Upload a PDF and ask, summarize this report and list the 3 most important data points. Brainstorming ideas for a campaign? Generate 10 creative ideas for a social media campaign promoting a new productivity app. This frees up your mental energy for the high-value work that humans do best, building relationships, strategic thinking, and creative innovation. Now, a critical warning. Do not become lazy. AI is a tool, not a crutch. Your number 1 rule is never copy-paste from an AI and submit it as your own work. It often sounds generic and can even hallucinate or make up facts. Always, always edit, refine, and add your own voice. Use the AI output as a first draft, a source of ideas, or a structure. Then, you infuse it with your personality, your specific experiences, and your authentic voice. The goal is to use AI to make you sound better, not to replace you. The most successful professionals of tomorrow will be those who can wield AI effectively while retaining their uniquely human skills: empathy, ethics, leadership, and creativity. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines. The technology is here, it's accessible, and it's waiting for you to use it. Your call to action is this: pick one thing. Today, use AI to tailor one resume. Use it to draft one difficult email. Use it to practice one interview question. Take that first step to move from being passive in your career to being proactive, strategic, and unstoppable. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to thrive in your career with technology. What's the first way you'll use AI in your job search? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.